Well, today we are going to use a totally different method to be able to recover what is our device. Since it has a screen lock, it also has the forgotten Gmail account, which is what we are going to do in this video tutorial. Well, as previously we made a video totally without a PC. In this video tutorial we are going to do it for a PC. It is a video totally for a PC. See, to be able to recover it. We always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step so that you don't miss any of these details and you can do it exactly as we are going to explain. Another thing that I also want to tell you is that in the description of the video and in the comments set for those people who do not have a PC, we have an updated method in the description and in the first comment. We are going to leave several methods so that you can apply for those people who do not have a PC. That said, well, let's connect to a Wi-Fi network to be able to start doing this same process. We connect to a network. After we connect to the network, we are going to give it a tour so you can see that our device is totally blocked. I also want to tell you that before you run the tool that we are going to download, we always recommend that you temporarily disable the antivirus. For those people who suddenly do not know how to do that process, well, we are going to explain here how to do it. That's why we always recommend watching the video tutorial without skipping it so that you don't miss any of these details. They're very important details, because the time that we run the program, and if we do not deactivate the antivirus, our program will not eliminate the program because it will detect it as a virus. So as we can see, we have a block and we have the Google account here. We also have both options. Also, what I want to comment for those people who like our content and are always following us well, we also want to recommend that in our channel we have the members session so that those people who want to support us can join our channel. Also, we are going to give them the benefit of uploading those videos in advance so they can enjoy our content many days before. And that is our benefit. We will also be responding to those comments. Those people who are joined our channel. Well, that said, let's go to what is the APC. We are going to deactivate the antivirus and we are going to show you where we are going to be able to download the tool. Well, as we had told you, let's go to what is our antivirus. We are going to click here. We select our antivirus. Now we are going to wait for our antivirus to open. And we are going to select the following option to temporarily disable. Then we enable it again. Here we say virus and threat protection. Then we select manage settings and then we deactivate this option. The first one, we are going to deactivate it. We say yes, we deactivate it. That is the first option that we are going to disable. Then, having said that, what we are going to do is go here to Google and we are going to write exactly as it appears here on the screen. A C-cell here, it will appear. Davicell ends in DL, then this option will appear. Android TV. Devicell, you can also appear. You are going to select it, then it will take you to this section where you will be able to method also totally different. Here you will find all these methods. Then you are going to go here where it says apps device L and you are going to select that option. Then it will take you to this section and you are going to find other methods as well, and you are going to find the tool, this video tutorial. Here we are going to be able to find this tool totally updated. What I do recommend is to watch the video tutorial step by step so that you cannot miss any of these details. This is the tool that we are going to use. In this video tutorial, then when we have downloaded the tool completely, what we are going to do is extract that tool. After we have extracted the tool, what we are going to do is right-click on the tool. Right-click here, we will see this option, Run as Administrator. We say yes, we run as administrator. Then we are going to wait for that tool to open. Here we will have it. This is the tool that we are going to use in this video tutorial. Here we will be able to find the drivers. Here below we find the drivers. We install it, and here we will find another method. Also both Samsung and today we use the Xiaomi. Today we are going to use Xiaomi. So what we are going to do is let's select our model. Select our model. After we select our model, we are going to click here where it says Remove PRP. We are going to locate our device. We are going to click where it is Remove FRP. We are going to click on it and it will appear. Waiting for connection. Now what we are going to do is turn off our phone and we are going to connect the device. Well, once we turn off our phone completely, so that it is completely off, what we are going to do now is connect the USB cable. When we connect it, the Xiaomi logo will appear. When that Xiaomi logo or the charging logo appears, either of the two, we are going to quickly press the power button. Power button, hold it for 4 seconds and release. And when it appears successful here, this in green is because the video tutorial has been completely successful. We are going to connect it. Now we are going to wait for the charging logo to appear or Xiaomi and press 1, 2, 3 and 4, release. Let's wait for successful formatting to appear here. Let's wait, it seems not. Let's see, let's give it a few more seconds. There it is ready. Here it says Final, completed successfully, and it appears here in green. Now what are we going to do? Let's press the power button. Disconnect the device. Reconnect it and let's wait for it to show us the charging logo again. Show us the charging logo, ready. Now we can close the program. We can disconnect it and now we can go finish the configuration. Be aware that we will explain what they are going to do. Let's press the power button, let's wait for it to turn on. When our phone turns on completely, what we are going to do is be able to configure it. But when we always do this process with tools, with programs, our phone always leaves us with some errors. How do we correct these errors? Well, watching the video tutorial step by step until the end, to be able to tell you how you are going to correct these errors. Since the screen would suddenly be blocked and a message would appear that it continues to fail, what we are going to do is remove any SIM card. We click on Skip. We remove any SIM card. We click on Skip. Well, let's go. We are going to delete the network. I'm going to pause here so they don't see what my Wi-Fi connection is. Then we click on Skip. Do not have any SIM card entered to be able to do this, because if they don't do it well, it takes you longer to configure your phone, so you will be able to do it faster. Ready, let's wait here to see it until the end to explain how to correct those errors that we have left on our phone. Do you know if our video works for you? Subscribe, activate the notification bell, giving it a good like, leaving a good comment, and don't forget to share our video. To complete, what is the process? We are in the last step. Well, I am going to select, we click here. Then it would take us directly to home. We click here on Home, and as I had told you, our phone is left with some errors. How do we correct the errors? We had already told you that. Let's go to Settings. Here in Settings, we go to About the phone. Click on Factory Data Reset. And then click here. Once it's done, we'll reset everything. We'll be able to configure our phone in an easy and simple way.